Okay, select the table and click one of any here. There are different kinds of charts here, right? For example, I click on this, click here. Further, you will get more types of the charts. Click the first one. Now you can see here is the chart. Set it here. And now you can see on the x-axis here, the name of the students, okay? And these three bars are representing three subjects. Blue bar means English, and this red bar means mathematics, and this green bar means science. And these are here, it is called legends. Okay, legends mean the boxes, the colored boxes, and representation of their subject. That's why it is called legend. And on the y-axis, you can see values. For example, Ali has acquired in English, click here. Okay. Hover the mouse and you will see the value. Look, series English, point Ali, value 89. Math, point Ali, value 89, value 98. Then science, point Ali, value 87. Here, English, point Usman, value 87. In this way, you will see a complete chart is representing this data. And this table, your table is connected with this chart. For example, Ali has achieved 89 marks in English. If I increase marks here, I make it 100. You will see this bar will go here up to 100 when I press enter. Look. And for example, if I reduce it to 60, this bar will drop on 60 is on point 60 here. When I press enter, look. If I increase Ali's math, all marks I make Ali's 100. And you will see all the three bars goes up to 100. In this way, if I select all values and I drag them down and to make them equal, you will see everything is now equal, pointing towards 100 marks. Right. In this way, select this and press delete button. Your chart will be deleted. Now select all the table again. Go Insert tab. And from here, you can see this chart or this one or this one. This is 3D column charts. Okay. For example, I click on this one. Look, this is 3D chart. The same values in the same colors with the same name with the same data. There is no difference between these and other charts, just in the shape. And you can change them further from here. For example, this one, this, or click open here. You have even more choices from here. Okay. If you want to change the color of graphs, you can change it from here. Look, these are color groups. It is monochromatic. Monochromatic mean there is one color with 3 different shades. For example, look, this is all three green, but with different shades. So this is called monochromatic. And these are different colors. If I want to change the type of the graph, you can go here, change type. From the top, you can change the type. And from the left side, from here, you can change it to line graph, pie graph. This is the bar graph, area. You can choose any one of them. For example, I click on line, and I click on this one or this one, and click OK. Now you can see there are 3 lines of 3 different colors denoting the subjects. The name are as it is down beneath on x-axis. And here, again, you can change the type. Go to column. These are recommended charts. You can also change from here, from recommendation or all charts. You can go here and click OK. You can also place this chart. For example, I click cut and go to another sheet and paste here. And make it a little bigger. Now it's easy to read, easy to watch. When you go to the data sheet, I change the values. Go to second sheet, you will see, look, all the changes will reflect on this sheet when you change the values. In this way, I will change this tab. I will rename it to marks chart. And we will rename it to mark sheet. Right. Now, for example, we want to format this chart. As we have discussed before, whenever we click on any graphical element, you will find here format tab. But here you will find two tabs, design and format, and these two tabs are chart tools. If I click outside the chart, the chart tools will be vanished. Click here. First of all, click on design. You will get all the design elements here. And when you click on format means you can change each and everything independently and individually. For example, I want to change the background. Anything you want to change, just click it. For example, this, the marks series. For example, the names, legends, chart title. For example, I want to change the chart title. Select it, change its font size and its font style. Also, you can change it from here, word art style, this one. And now, for example, I want to change the background, this one. This is the background. Click here and fill any color as a background color. Outline. So this is the outline. And you can again choose the gradients. You can change the background with the picture. Again, you can select file from your PC, or you can search it from online. For example, I search it from here, dots. There are lots of dot pattern. I click here, insert. Or I can again change it to gradients. You can fill it with the texture. These are different textures. You can change it to any preset like this. And you can, for example, you can select the series. I click on the orange one. All the orange bars will be selected. And from here, you can change them to any orange 3D effect. Click here. Click here. We have changed the bars styles altogether. When you will change the color of the bars, the legend colors will be automatically updated. For example, this is orange, and this is the marks bar of Ali of English subject. You can see here the English legend is in the same color as this bar has. If I gonna change the color it to black, you will see the English legend is also updated into black. The math is purple, the science is red. I click purple and click on green. Math becomes green. And the science, I make it blue. The science becomes blue. In this way, I click on the names. First, I click here. You can see all the names have been updated accordingly. And I select from here from this one or this one. In the same way, you can apply all these elements, all these effects on names. And for example, this is click here and text fill, text outline, text effects like glow. You can change the glow effect from here, more colors from here, glow options from here. You can change, for example, presets. You can change the color, you can change the size, glow size, transparency. What amount of the glow transparency do you need? Soft edges, 3D format, 3D rotation. You can change all things, all effects from this property panel. You can close it from here. Copy and paste here. Again, now you have two graphs side by side. and you can change one of them to another design. Again, paste here. You can change it to another style. Change chart type. You can change it to bars. In this way, you can keep multiple type of charts. Again, paste here. Design, change type. Click on pie. You have other pie options here. To be display this properly, make it a little bigger. Look. And this will display all the marks in percentage. If you want to switch columns into rows, for example, these are columns and these are rows. If you see in the mark sheet, these are columns, and these are rows. If you want it like this, if you want to convert the rows into column, your sheet will be like this. Names, Ali, Man, Farooq, Khalid, Mahmood. Ali's marks will be displayed here. Usman will be here, 87, 97, 76, 67, 96, 78, 78. And what next, Abdullah?
78.
Okay, 89 then. 89. And Mahmood marks, how many? How much? First 89. 89.
52.
Okay. Then it is 78. Then 90. Is that right?
Yes.
Okay. And what names will go here?
Name will go math,
No. Which is the first subject?
English,
Okay.
and
Then
underneath it math,
math. Good.
and underneath it science.
That's great. Shabash. Very nice. Very nice, Abdullah. Now, have you seen that we have converted this table into this one. The table is same, but what is the difference? Here the table is in columns format, and here the same table is in the rows format. Did you get that?
Yes.
Nice. Like this. Click on chart. Look. The same result you got. The same. There is no difference, right?
Yes.
Abdullah, we will wait for Azan for 2 minutes.
Okay.
Okay, we are back. Now, you can, as we have changed this table, column table into rows table, you can change this chart from column to rows as well. Click on design. This is switch row column. Click here. Look. And what is being switched? First, you have names over here and the subject here. But now you have names down beneath and the subjects are over the names. The name Ali, okay? In English, Ali, then this, Usman, Farooq, Khalid, and Mahmoud. So if you want to switch to columns into rows and rows into columns, you can go from here. Again, you can cut it from here. Go to the second sheet, right click here and paste. So, Abdullah, what do you think about charts?
They're very good.
Very good.
Yeah.
And do you understand that how can we represent data in
Yeah.
a graphical format, in a shape format, in a chart format, in an image format,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
Okay. Is it interesting?
Yeah.
Now, can you able to make a chart from a given data? Can you make it?
Yes.
How? It is very easy. Just select the values and
Go on in that and
Okay.
go on the charts
great,
and click anyone and you can make a decisions.
great, mashallah. Bravo, Abdullah. So up to here, do you have any question?
No question.
Right. Alhamdulillah, you have everything clear. You have these tabs. From here, you can format, you can change anything. Okay, from here. And if you want to delete it, just select it and click delete. Is that clear?
Yes.
That's nice. Okay, see you tomorrow, inshallah. If you have any problem, you may ask me on WhatsApp or on phone call. Inshallah, see you tomorrow on the same time after Maghrib. Till then, assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah wa barakatuh.
Right. So